In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the Quotex Trading Affiliate Program. Whether you're looking to expand your current business strategy or just starting out with affiliate marketing, you'll find this guide clear and easy to follow. Let's dive in and explore the steps you need to take. First, you need to head over to the Quotex Market website. It's important to be on the genuine Quotex platform to ensure security and efficiency. You can simply type in Quotex Market in your preferred search engine, and you should see it pop up at the top of your search results. Once you've arrived at the site, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. This is the environment where you'll be conducting business, so knowing your way around can be incredibly beneficial. Next, you're going to look for the section labeled Quotex Affiliate. The best affiliate program. Click on this link. The reason you're choosing this specific link is that it's designed to lead you directly to the affiliate program details and sign-up options. This section provides essential information about the opportunity, including benefits you might find appealing. By understanding the program thoroughly, you're setting yourself up for success right from the start. After clicking the link, you'll be redirected to a page that invites you to join the program. Here you should see a button that says Join Us Now. Clicking this button is your next step forward. When you proceed, you'll begin the process of becoming an affiliate partner. At this juncture, you may be prompted to fill out some personal and business information. Having details like your contact info and any existing business website or marketplace profiles at the ready can streamline this process. You'll be led to the Quotex Partner Dashboard, which acts as the hub of your affiliate activities. Here you will find an option labeled Affiliate Programs, which is an essential section for managing your account and tracking your progress. Click on Affiliate Programs to officially finalize your registration into the affiliate program environment. In this dashboard, you'll be able to see various tools and analytics options provided by Quotex. These tools can help you optimize your marketing efforts as an affiliate partner. Remember that building a successful affiliate partnership takes time, effort, and strategy. Utilize all available resources and support provided by the Quotex team. Also, it's always a good practice to keep an eye on any updates or new features that may be introduced by the platform. As always, stay informed and proactive in managing your activities and communications effectively within the network. Following these steps carefully should position you well to start earning through Quotex's affiliate program. Good luck and happy trading.